How to listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your Spotify application and over here, simply select a music you want to play. The process is same for Android and iOS, so it won't be a problem for iOS user as well. Simply play a song in the background and go to the home button. Then go to Roblox. Open your gaming off first and then tap on three dot, tap on settings, and if you could find the speaker icon or audio icon over here, simply turn this off and game sound of Roblox will be turned off, so music in Spotify will continue playing. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.